Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome to another very beautiful collection of bottle and embroidery designs. All of these bottle and embroidery designs are used to design dresses, different stylized patterns of dressing, along with a very beautiful idea of DIY decor items are found. So this video is in the continuation of my previous video, into which I upload hundreds of designs of bottle and embroidery and share the ideas that how you can use the bottle and embroidery patterns for a wide variety of reasons. So today's video contains latest, easy to make, beginner friendly patterns, and in the end section of this video you are going to get visual pictures of dresses that how bottle and embroidery patterns could be used for dress designing. The Eastern, Western, both stylized patterns of dresses could be designed with the help of these very beautiful patterns of bottle and embroidery. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and leave comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on regular basis in our new upcoming videos. The most of useful purpose of bottle embroidery is for tablecloth, for bedsheets, cushion covers. So different types of geographical regions of the world like China, Japan, Turkey are using these patterns of woodland embroidery to decor their home items. So I hope you like the ideas of today's video. Thank you so much for watching.